So I haven't quite decided if today's recipe should qualify as breakfast or dessert. Howard shows us how to make fruit roll sushi in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
It's hard to turn on the TV or go online without hearing something about the Summer Games in Tokyo. So to share in all the excitement, today we're creating a whimsical twist on sushi that everyone seems to love. You don't even have to be a fish lover. We start by melting some butter in a saucepan over low heat. Then we add some marshmallows. Once they're melted, we stir in some toasted rice cereal until it's well combined. Now, if you're thinking, hey, I make those all the time, here's where the twist comes in. We lay out some fruit roll-ups and spread a thin layer of our cereal mixture over them. Then we place a few pieces of colorful licorice in the center and roll them up. Now we cut these into 1-inch pieces, just like we do with real sushi, and they're ready to serve. Look how fun and fitting these are. Imagine serving these when your gang is sitting around watching the Olympics. To get the step-by-step recipe for what we call fruit roll sushi, all you need to do is check out our website. I know you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fun and fruity way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
All right, all you grandmas out there, this is the perfect recipe for you to make for the grandkids before you send them home to their parents. You can find it along with more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.